Welcome to
Keenan
and Meg
and
the Gospel Love Ring. Hello, YouTube fam. Happy Tuesday. If you are new, first of all, welcome to the channel. My name is Ronika Michelle, and on this channel, my goal is to take you guys along with me on my journey to being the healthiest, happiest version of me through Christ and to have fun along the way. For my returning subscribers, what's up, y'all? I just have one question. Have y'all been walking in wholeness today? Well, I think I have the perfect thing to help with relaxation, and I personally love this skill, especially in the dead of winter, because I love the sound of birds chirping in the morning. It's so relaxing and therapeutic to me. Funny story before we get started. So I was in my room listening to this skill on my dot. I had an Echo Dot at the time, and my mom had come into my room for something, and she goes, "Ronika, did I open your window?" And I'm like, "No, you did not." She thought she had, because the sounds in this skill are so realistic and lifelike. She thought that was coming out of my window because it was like late spring in the summer. So that was kind of funny. But without further ado, I'm going to introduce to y'all the morning sound skill. Open morning sound.
Handing off to Morning Sound by Urboxy Limited.
Alexa, stop. All right. That was morning sound. I love this skill. It's so relaxing. I especially love it in the dead of winter because it just gives me something to look forward to, because I'm a summer baby, so I love, warm weather and listening to that all the time. As a matter of fact, I told someone the other day, my dream is to live somewhere where I can just wake up to the birds chirping and not need an iPhone alarm. Because my doctor has really been fussing at me about that here lately because, of my heart issues. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. That is the morning sound skill. Um, it'll ask you if you want to discover more relaxing sounds. I always say no. Um, but yeah, if you're a person who likes to work in nature or work outside, or I know a lot of people, my mom included, they like to read their Bibles, like sit outside with their coffee and read their Bibles and stuff like that. So this kind of gives that vibe to me. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy it. Always remember to walk in your wholeness because it looks good on you. Peace and blessings. Have a great day.
Well, guys, that is going to do it for this video. Please make sure to tune in and subscribe to the YouTube channel Keenan and Meg.